Hi, my friends. Welcome back. Today we have some cute toys waiting for us. They need a little cleaning. So, let's take care of them together. Let's see what we've got. That's amazing. Can you guess before I clean it? Wow, there's clean water, guys. Look, guys, there are so many animals here. Which toy did you like the most? Let's take the first toy. Look at this one, guys. It looks round and a little fluffy. Maybe it's a sheep, am I right? Okay, wash it. Oh my god, it's a sheep. So cute. Do you like this toy? This looks like a really nice toy. What do you guys think? All right, let's put this right here gently. Awesome, that's really cool. Okay, next toy. This one is really dirty, guys. Let's clean it and see what it is. Whoa, this one looks strong. Maybe it's a lion. What do you think? Let's find out! Look at this one, guys. Wow, it's a lion. But don't worry, it's friendly. Do you think so too? That's amazing. This looks perfect here. Let's see another one. What is this? I can see a small beak and a round body. Could it be a duck? What do you think? Look at this one. Wow, it really is a duck. So cute. Wow, that's such a beautiful toy. Okay, this one goes here. Awesome, that's really cool. Let's try the next one. I see a beak in a tall shape. Maybe it's a rooster? Any idea, guys? Let's find out! Oh, wow, look at this. Wow, it's a rooster. So beautiful. Let's go. All right, let's put this right here gently. Okay, guys, are you ready? Let's see another one. Look at this one. It's really dirty. This one is really tall. Is it a double-decker bus? What do you guys think? Wow, I was right. It's a double-decker bus. Do you like this toy? Wow, that's such a beautiful toy. This looks perfect here. Look, guys, there are so many animals here. Now let's take the next one. It's really dirty. Look at this one. It has a big body and a nice shape. Maybe it's a bull? All right, let's wash it now. Wow, it's a bull. Awesome, that's really cool. This looks like a really nice toy. What do you guys think? This looks perfect here. Let's see another one. What is this? Wow, this is a small one. Look at this. It's small and round, kind of smooth. I think this looks like an egg. Okay, let's wash it clean. Wow, it's an egg. Let's see another one. Wow, it really is an elephant. So beautiful. Let's go. This is crazy. Okay, this one goes here. Okay, guys, ready? Let's try the next one. Wow, this is a small one. Do you think it's a cow? Any idea, guys? Can you guess before I clean it? Okay, let's wash it clean. Yes, it's a cow. So cute. Do you like this toy? All right, let's put this right here gently. Which toy did you like the most? Okay, next toy. Oh my god, guys. This is so dirty. Can you guess what this is? Could it be a donkey? Okay, wash it. Look at this one, guys. Yes, it's a donkey. So beautiful. Let's go. Do you like this toy? This looks perfect here. Wow. Now, let's take the next one. Wow, this animal has a very long neck. Could it be a giraffe? What do you think? Any idea, guys? Yes, it's a giraffe. Awesome. That's really cool. Wow, that's such a beautiful toy. This looks perfect here. Wow, guys. They all look so clean and colorful now. Which toy did you like the most? Now, let's take the next one. Oh, the last toy. Hey, guys, look at this. What kind of toy is this? Any idea, guys? Okay, let's find out. Wow, that's such a beautiful toy. So beautiful. Let's go. Do you like this toy? That's amazing. Which toy did you like the most? Comment below. Look at them now. So clean and beautiful. Everything is clean now. All done, guys. Great job, my friends. See you next time.